Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto. I am a Florida licensed realtor, home inspector, and notary public with loan signing agent certification. So right now we are at Winding Bay Preserve, and this is a hovnanian community. I'm going to show you this model called the Tobago, and I hope that I'm saying it right. So let's go inside and have a look. Now I do have a whole bunch of videos of these other homes that you're seeing as we walk around through the fence. So do check it out. I also have a video where I'm in the community with the car and I'm driving. So check that out as well. And you can find all that on my website at wintergardennew.com. And you can always find the latest homes for sale if they are listed on the MLS over there. Now, home builders do not always put their homes on the MLS, so just keep that in mind. And as always, it's free for you to use my service, as I do get paid from the home builder. And I do not charge you any additional fees on top of that, so just keep that in mind. And in order to have your free realtor service, you do have to contact me first before you head over to a home builder. Now, if you have already been there, there's still a small chance I can potentially still help you, so just touch base with me anyway. Okay, so this is what you see when you first walk in. You could take a look at the floors. Really nice home. I'm sure that there's a ton of money and upgrades in this. I see we have a bathroom over here. Oh, this is nice how it's set up. It's got a TV and a, full suite. Very nice. Now this leads back. This goes outside. And it's nice if you have somebody living with you, especially if it's a family member and you want them to have their own private room. And laundry as well. Good sized bedroom over here. Now this kind of setup is not something that you would see everywhere, so it's kind of more unique. And if you have been watching my videos, you could definitely spot that sort of a setup, how different it is. This should be the garage. It looks kind of standard size. 2-car with 2 separate doors. And here we have another bedroom. So here's a full bathroom. And you got this nice room over here. Kind of looks like a flex room, something that can be an office or a TV room or a den or something like that. Now here's another laundry room. That's for the main house, and there's a sink. Now, many times when you see a sink in the laundry room, that's an upgrade, so just keep that in mind. Oh, what a beautiful room. Oh, wow, this island is something. Fantastic. Can't say that I enjoy the brown cabinets, because I don't, but otherwise, nice room. Check out the pantry. Very good. Okay. There's your sitting area. Okay, so this master has a ton of room over here. You can see that they have a chair in it. Anytime a home builder puts a chair inside of a bedroom, that's usually a good indication of a master bedroom that's a very decent size. And this one definitely is. Oh, very nice cabinets. I like it. I like this sink. And a rain shower head, and that is also something that's typically an upgrade as well. Most of the models that I have shown you, if you have been following my videos, the homes typically have anywhere from 30 to 300,000 in upgrades in most of these things. Although sometimes the builder does just keep the very standard stuff that's going to come with the home in it. And that's typically when you see laminate countertops, you know you're getting you know, the absolute basics with that. Especially when the model has it. Let's check out this kitchen again. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me, excuse me. And please like, favorite, share, subscribe. And again, check out my website at wintergardennew.com. And thank you again. Have a fantastic day.